Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view someone TikTok profile without them knowing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your TikTok and update your TikTok application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and with the three line bars in the top right, you simply need to click on the eye icon, and here you can see that you can turn on, and if you want to turn off, you simply need to click on the gear icon on the top right and simply turn off that feature. Once you turn off that, no one will be able to see when you view or when you view that person profile. So this is a process by which you can hide yourself and no one is able to know that you view his TikTok profile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.